Tonight, another major turning point in the pandemic as COVID cases soar.
Should Americans expect more guidelines coming up, more restrictions because of COVID?
In all probability.
The president telling Americans to expect more restrictions after internal CDC documents warn the war has changed due to the surging Delta variant and that the vaccinated can spread the virus too when infected.
Are you for mandating a vaccine on a federal level?
That's something that I think the administration is looking into. It's something that I think we're looking to see approval of from the vaccine.
The CDC director later clarifying her comments, tweeting, "There will be no nationwide mandate." Cases have spiked in almost every state, averaging more than 70,000 infections a day, a 62% increase from the previous week. Florida hit a record 21,683 cases today, the most since the start of the pandemic.
Patients are showing up sick today and last week, and unfortunately, this is going to continue for at least another 6 weeks.
And healthcare workers are also getting sick. The San Francisco Chronicle reporting dozens of staff members at 2 hospitals in the city have tested positive in the past 6 weeks. Most were vaccinated. To slow the spread, rules are tightening across the country. Washington, D.C. now requiring masks indoors even for those fully vaccinated. This weekend in Chicago, in addition to proof of vaccine or a negative COVID test, thousands flocking to Lollapalooza will need to mask up at indoor venues. While in New Orleans, mask mandates are back as Louisiana joins a list of top states with new infections.
What we're saying now, you really need that mask on, period.
And here in New York City, the priority is still to boost vaccination numbers, but the mayor said that they will be updating possibly the indoor mask guidance as early as Monday. Lester?
All right, Kathy Park, thanks very much. Let's bring in Dr. John Torres with me here in Tokyo. A lot of understandable worry about these breakthrough infections. Should we be changing our lifestyle in reaction to this?
Not really, not much, other than this, the mask. You want to wear a mask if you're in an area with high transmission rates, low vaccination rates. If you're worried about your health, simply put a mask on. And don't forget the children. Those under the age of 12 can't get vaccinated, and so they might need to be masked, and you might need to be masked around them as well.
And in all of this, I get the sense there's still a strong argument for vaccinations.
If you look at the data, it's showing the vaccinations work really well. Put it in perspective, about 1 out of 10 Americans has had COVID. When it comes to testing positive, only 1 out of 1,300 who've been vaccinated.
All right, Dr. John Torres, thanks very much. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.